Alright, so welcome back. We are going to be installing the Mishimoto oil catch can, and since I have dual intakes on the IPL, we're going to be installing two catch cans. Here we have the Mishimoto catch cans. I installed the connectors already and the bracket. It's pretty straightforward. We have the hoses we're going to use right here. There's 4 of them. Some are long, some are short. They have different bends in them. And then the connecting clamps. I already got the hood open. All we have to do now is remove the engine cover and we'll get started. Alright, so the first step is to put the oil catch cans in the car. We're gonna mount them right here. I pre-loosened these bolts, so you have to take out a few of them. And once they're out, you get a little bit of wiggle room here. And this goes underneath, just like that. So put the bolts back in, and then you can use a drill, or you can ratchet them down by hand. I like to go by hand. And then after this, we're gonna put the new hoses on. Alright, once you have the Mishimoto catch cans in place, you want to go ahead and take some pliers and pull the clamps back off the hoses so you can pull them off. The driver's side, I had no issue. Super easy. The passenger side, I did have to remove the intake tube because I couldn't get the pliers down in there around the clamp. You may not have that problem. Mine was just oriented in a bad way. So the next step is to put the new hoses on. Okay, so you want to take this hose and you want to put it here where this one went. I left the old hose there just as a guide. So we're going to put that on there. Make sure you have your clamps on so that you can do this. Maybe spin it around. You can actually get at it. Put that on there. And then this one goes on the in. Okay. That one's fine like that. Next you run this one exactly like this through here. Okay. Push it through if you have to. There. Next, we're going to install this one here, the longest tube. Okay. Once you get the hoses on this side down, you just tighten those clamps and you are good to go. So now we have all our lines tightened up. They all run to the catch can. Everything is good down in there. And then everything's tightened up. Now we can go for a test drive. So we got the G all buttoned up. I have to put the engine cover on, but the emblem broke. So I might paint it a different color and then put that back on, but for right now, she's good. Oil catch can installed right here. And don't forget to subscribe down below. Hit the like button. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.